Yeah. I see you in the mess hall, love. Look like you struggling. Tuesday, commissary. CO slid a duffel in. Try to touch my wham wham, love. You get a soap sock. Sally doing 50. Killed the nigga in the dope spot. Lollipopping, jacking for beef. We never into that. Latin King bugging. Stabbed a nigga for a dinner snack. Shorty can't handle no more. He tried to hang himself. Big Bear, hawking his heels. I told him bank himself. Tube sock turned into a weapon. Get to stepping. Seen a junkie pull a banger out his Bible where he kept it. My phone buddy emptied his tray. He finna whip a dip. I'ma stash my rice and get it poppin' with these noodle licks. Who got a wick? Buddy in the law library, seen the judge and got buried. Trying to find a loophole, this shit is legendary. Screwed up faces and sealed face, just doing Mandela time. Facing Buck Rogers course dates, goddamn. July slab, feel like a hot pan. Fam, I said my man need 40 items a gram. I smacked that shit up out your fucking hand. Hey, look, shorty. My man said he need 40 items for a gram, bro. Nah, fam, nah, bro. We seen your ass over there in the day room the other day. Nah, bro, nah. Hey, yo, no, yo, hey, yo, hey, yo, smack this nigga. All my penitentiary, Al Capone niggas, incarcerated scar faces. Doing 1,000 years on the fucking cases. Fucking bullshit, I can't. Man, jail ain't no place for no man, church. Ain't no place you wanna be, shorty. Man, get your life right, shorty. Get them books right, church. Get your mind on that.